do a lot of like browns and naturals. I've been thinking of doing a lot of orange and like brownish, since there's a lot of people that don't use color at all. They basically, I know a lot of people that don't like color at all, but they just look for brown eye looks and like, you know, like an everyday type of eye look. And I get it, like I don't do this eye look when I go out. I only do it when I'm like gonna stay in and just for YouTube and Instagram. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble blending it out right now. Like a lot of people around me a veces me dicen, how do you do makeup? Like, how do you have so much patience? And then some people tell me también, how could you do eyeshadow? I just can't do it, like me desespero. And I'm just like, well dude, and I'm just like, well just do it, you know? Like it's all practice. Like I feel like if I practice more and if I do my makeup more, I would be way better than how I do it now. But like I used to not be able to do any of this. Like I had no idea how to do eyeshadow.